Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two OLED TV in this video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start display. Display type. Screen size. Display resolution. Refresh rate. Video processor. Pixel density. Contrast ratio. Brightness. Response time. View angle. Filmmaker mode. High gig. HDR formats. Part 2. Connectivity. Bluetooth. Wi-Fi. HDMI version. USB port. 3.5 mm audio jack. Part 3. Features. Special features. System chip. TV platform. Version at launch. OS updates. Amazon Prime Video. Apple TV app. Disney Plus. HBO Max. Netflix. YouTube. Voice assistants. Speakers. Dolby audio. Detach audio. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.